Hi, hello there, welcome along. My name's Andy, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham's. Just thought I'd take a few moments to show you around one of our latest caravans. This is the Swift Elegance Grande. It's the 635, so it's the centre bathroom and bedroom. So let's have a look round. So with it being the Grande, as you can see, it's 8 foot wide, very commanding on the road. New graphics on the front here with the front locker with the black smiley face as we call it. Decals again are new for this year. The whole van, to be fair, has been revamped and it looks a stunning vehicle this year. So on this side here you see the Elegance badge. Again, the decals going down the side. It's not all white as normal with the Caravans. It's got a light grey finish into there and then the flash going all the way along the side. The alloy wheels have been machine polished again for this year, so that's something new. Some of the features along this side here, we've got the external barbecue point, access under the front seats. We then have the external TV aerial points and 12 volts, and also a 3-pin socket there for if you're having an awning, etc., for lights. Moving around to the other side of the Caravan, just have the ATC, which is standard to the vehicle. Along here, slightly different configuration. So the first flap here, that is actually the external shower point. Battery box. Moving down the Caravan, toilet cassette. And then here we've got two water intakes. One is direct to the tank and the other one's direct to taps. So if you're on a super pitch, it's fine. And then access points under the bed should you need it. Moving along the back, as with all Swifts, particularly on this model, it has the window in the back, which is actually a safety feature, so we like a class as a fire exit. But again, the back of the Caravan has been moulded, so it's not just standard as you would normally see on a Caravan. It's really nice. And again, on the inside, it shows this. Finished off nicely then with the Elegance name and the black flashing across. Heavy duty corner steadies on the vehicle. So that's the exterior of the Caravan. Let's have a look on the interior. So coming in, with it being 8 foot wide, there's plenty of room in the seating area. This has got the leather finish to it. It does come with the fabric if you need it, but again, just give us a call. We can order that separately for you. Plenty of light coming in today. We've got the gloss finish here on the cabinets, the Elegance name across the front. Match quite nicely with the curtains and the cushions. As for facilities on board, it's well specced up. We've got the marble finish here tops with a pop-up counter here. Also the freestanding table with the same colour. In here we've got the microwave away from the cooker, which I always think is great. We've got an extractor hood. And then this cupboard here is quite nicely designed. So you've got your cupboards for your teacups, plates, etc. Cooking wise, it's got the large electric ring, 3 gas burners, down to the oven and the grill. All the cupboard doors are soft close. Finishing that on the opposite side, it's the large slimline fridge freezer. That's just plastic protection on the front there, we leave on. At the door area then is a TV point. Again, you can add any extra sockets to anywhere within the Caravan. Just let us know what your specifications are. The light up drinks cabinet is back. Above the door here, we've got the large control panel. So from here, you've got the Swift command, you've got the DAB radio, you can dim all the lights. It's a really, really good feature. Got lots of functions on there. To the left is the alarm sensor, and then to the right here is the Audi control panel. We always recommend that you use that for the heating and electric. It can run off the panel here in the middle, but it does get confused sometimes, so it's better to run off there. So looking through into the bathroom, again, super-sized bathroom if you are looking to use the Caravan, maybe sighted. There's plenty of light in here, same vent, etc. Nice vanity sink. Again, it's got the Audi heating, towel rail, which is quite a nice feature, and then a really decent sized shower. Extractor fan in here, which is a really, really good idea. Get rid of any of the excess steam. Wardrobe, and then going through into the bedroom. As we've already seen, it's got a window on the back. This has actually got full length curtains, which is quite a nice touch. Finished again in the cream finish. Headboards to match in the same fabric at the front. Plenty of storage spaces either side of the bed. And under the bed, we have the onboard tank, which we mentioned about earlier. It's down the side there. So that's all the gubbins under here, and then your carpets. So all in all, it's a super spacious Caravan, high-end luxury. Just moving around so you can see we've got another wardrobe here, so it's good use of space. The black and the white contrast is really good. And on here, if you are looking to watch television in bed, it's got the features already there for you. You just need to put the television onto the bracket. Speakers again, all through the Caravan. So walking back through just gives you an idea of just how big this Caravan is, right through to the front. If you need any more information on this Caravan, do feel free to give us a call. Telephone number here at Grantham's is 01476 560 599. Many thanks for looking. Bye now.